Mm.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Myself Lalita. Today we gonna discuss about inverting amplifier configuration of op-amp. First, what is mean by op-amp? Op-amp is called as operational amplifier. And what is mean by amplifier? Amplifier is an electronic device that increases the power of gain. And op-amp is a direct couple, high gain and negative feedback. And what is mean by direct couple? One stage of output is directly coupled to the input of another stage is called direct couple and high gain. For example, we give low voltage to the input, it appears as a high output. And negative feedback. Negative feedback is nothing but when we give positive feedback, the circuit will be instability. That's why we only use negative feedback. And coming to the circuit diagram, it has two input terminals. One is inverting and another one is non-inverting. Inverting means when we give voltage to the inverting terminal, it acts as an inverting amplifier. And when we give voltage to the non-inverting terminal, it acts as a non-inverting amplifier. And we will only discuss about inverting amplifier in this video. Now, when we give signal to the inverting terminal, it acts as an inverting amplifier and it appears 180 degrees out of phase in the output. For example, it is output and 180 degrees out of phase appeared in the output, and the output is feedback to the input of inverting terminal with the help of feedback resistor. And coming to the voltage gain of inverting amplifier. And voltage gain nothing but I1 is equals to IF. That is, here I1 current is flowing. Here IF current is flowing. That's why I1 is equals to IF. And voltage gain. Voltage gain is nothing but voltage gain. Here we are applying KCL to the node A. Now VI minus VA by R1 is equals to VA minus V0 by RF. Here VA is 0 because VB is also 0 because of ground, and VA is not grounded but it acts as a grounder because of virtual ground. And coming to the concept of virtual ground, what is mean by virtual ground? Virtual is nothing but imaginary. Ground we all know what is mean by ground. And coming to the virtual ground, VB is equals to 0 and VA is also a 0 because VA is equals to VB. That's why here VA is equals to 0 because of virtual ground. Now VI minus 0 by R1 is equals to 0 minus V0 by RF. Here V0 is equals VI by R1 is equals to minus V0 by RF. Here output voltage V0 is equals to RF by minus RF by R1 into VI. And coming to the gain, that is voltage gain, that is ACL. ACL is equals to V0 by VI is equals to minus RF by R1. Here minus symbol indicates that the output is inverting as compared to the input signal. Thank you so much for watching my video.